Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Welcome to a series of videos that I want to make. So I was sent a video by a non-Muslim, and she was pointing to a video by on YouTube. I'm not sure if I'm going to put the link to that channel or whatnot. It apparently has let's see, has around 1.5 million views. Okay, something around philosophy. So the guy there makes a few points. It definitely seems like, you know, someone who just wants to create some sort of confusion on understanding God. To be honest, I mean, it doesn't seem like, one who is seeking the truth with the way he talks and, the arguments that he's making. Anyway, so we'll try to address that, inshallah, God willing, one at a time. So the first point that he raises about is like, hey, can God create a stone that is not able to lift? If he can't do that, then God is not able to do everything. It's a very basic thing. It's widely well known and well answered already. So the point that he's leaving that thing there, to be honest, it seems to me that he's not even being intellectually honest with what he's sharing. But for what it's worth, look, guys, when you say God is able to do everything, what this thing means, right? So obviously things mean something that's possible, that's perceivable. I mean, can you say that, can God make me God? A'udhu billah, right? Like, what does that mean, right? So by definition, being God implies certain things. So can God create a triangle that's also a square? Like, what does that mean, right? So just understanding certain things are like, asking those questions. So okay, so basically, if you really flatten it out, what really boils down to is saying that, look, God is able to do everything. Okay, so meaning that God is able to do everything. Simple. Now if you're going to bring in certain things that are not possible by definition, or they cannot be perceived by us to exist at the same time, such as a stone existing that God is not able to lift, that's just not, it's not perceivable. It's not a defined thing. How can there be something that is beyond the control of God, right? I mean, by definition, God says for anything to be and it becomes. So asking this question itself is just like, very strange for someone to ask this. I hope that's clear, right? Just think about it. God can do everything, okay? Anything that's possible by definition. So I hope that's clear. um, I don't know what else to say on that. So I'm gonna make a new video on the other topics that he raises. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum.